Losing up to 10 pounds in just 7 days isn't just a claim. It's a reality for many following the carnivore diet. By cutting out every plant-based food and focusing entirely on meat, fish, eggs, and fats, this diet flips traditional nutrition advice on its head. Its simplicity and rapid results have made it one of the most talked about diets today. The carnivore diet works by eliminating carbohydrates, forcing the body into ketosis. In ketosis, the body burns fat for energy instead of glucose. Protein in the diet supports muscle repair and satiety, while animal fats provide long-lasting energy. This combination promotes fat loss and stable energy levels. Many followers report improved mental clarity and reduced inflammation. The diet eliminates plant compounds like lectins and oxalates, which can irritate the gut and trigger inflammation. Cutting these out helps some people manage autoimmune conditions and digestive issues. The diet's simplicity is another advantage. There's no need for calorie counting or complex meal prep. High-quality animal products, such as grass-fed beef and wild-caught fish, provide essential nutrients. Organ meats like liver are rich in vitamins and minerals, supporting overall health. Despite its benefits, the carnivore diet has risks. Removing plant-based foods can lead to nutrient deficiencies, particularly in vitamin C and fiber. Lack of fiber may impact gut health, potentially causing constipation. High saturated fat intake could raise cholesterol levels, though its long-term effects remain debated. Scientific studies provide insight into the diet's effectiveness. Research on low-carb and ketogenic diets shows significant weight loss and metabolic improvements. A 2018 study in diabetes therapy demonstrated better glycemic control and sustained fat loss. However, a 2020 review in The Lancet Planetary Health emphasized the importance of dietary diversity for long-term health. Debunking myths about the carnivore diet. A common misconception is that the carnivore diet lacks essential nutrients. While it's true that plant-based foods are rich in certain vitamins and antioxidants, organ meats, a staple of the carnivore diet, can provide these nutrients. For example, liver contains vitamin C and a wide range of essential minerals, making it an important part of a balanced carnivore approach. Another myth is that the diet is inherently dangerous. While it's not suitable for everyone, many followers report improved blood markers and metabolic health when it is followed correctly. Specific success stories. Many people have shared remarkable transformations on the carnivore diet. A case study published in Current Developments in Nutrition highlighted an individual who experienced significant weight loss and relief from autoimmune symptoms after adopting the diet. Athletes also report improved performance and faster recovery due to the anti-inflammatory effects of eliminating plant compounds. Tips for avoiding common mistakes. Common pitfalls on the carnivore diet include eating too much processed meat and not consuming enough fat. Processed meats, like sausages, may contain additives that can cause inflammation. Focus on whole, unprocessed cuts of meat instead. Another mistake is failing to include organ meats, which are crucial for obtaining a broad spectrum of nutrients. Hydration is also essential. Without carbohydrates, your body retains less water, so drinking plenty of fluids and adding electrolytes can prevent fatigue or dizziness. To start the carnivore diet safely, reduce carbohydrates gradually to minimize side effects like fatigue. Focus on nutrient-dense foods, including organ meats, to prevent deficiencies. Stay hydrated and include electrolytes to maintain balance. Regular health monitoring is essential, especially for those with pre-existing conditions. Disclaimer asterisk before starting any diet, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional. Every body is unique, and what works for one person may not be suitable for another. Seeking medical advice ensures your dietary choices align with your individual health needs. The carnivore diet offers rapid weight loss and potential health improvements, but comes with challenges. Its restrictive nature may not suit everyone, and careful planning is critical to avoid health risks. Understanding the science and tailoring the diet to your needs is key. This is just the start. There's so much more to learn about how the carnivore diet impacts health. Stay curious, and let's keep exploring.